Affiliate marketing is still one of the best ways and easiest ways to make money online. It has an incredibly low barrier for entry and not too much setup in order to start earning. But here's the issue. There are thousands of affiliate programs out there. Some are amazing, high commissions, long cookie windows, reliable payouts, and some are really not worth your time. So in this video, I'm breaking down exactly how to find the best affiliate programs for you and your niche, step by step. You'll learn where to look, what to avoid, and how to compare offers so you don't waste weeks promoting the wrong products. Step 1, know your niche. The truth is, affiliate marketing works best when you focus on a specific area. Trying to promote everything all at once just confuses your audience and kills trust. Look for niches with buying intent, so areas where people are already searching for solutions and products. This could be things like fitness and health, so supplements, gear, apps, AI and tech tools, so software and SaaS subscriptions, personal finance, so credit cards, budgeting apps, investing platforms, and education and skills, online courses or e-learning platforms, for example. Now, these are just some examples, but you want to use tools like Google Trends, Reddit communities, or even TikTok search to spot demand. Once you've got your niche, finding programs becomes a lot easier. Of course, if you just want a pre-vetted list of all of the main affiliate programs on there with their commission rates, then I have that list on my Patreon. The link's in the description below. Step 2, search for affiliate programs. Now, the easiest way to find programs is literally just to Google them. So search your niche plus affiliate program, and you'll usually find dozens of options. But here's where you need to be careful. Not all programs are equal. Some look attractive but pay very little, or they only approve experienced affiliates. Others are more beginner friendly with solid commissions. And here's a tip, start with brands you know and trust. It's much easier to promote something you use yourself. For example, Amazon Affiliates is a pretty reliable big company. You know that typically they're going to probably pay out. Step 3, compare commissions and cookie length. So when comparing programs, focus on these 3 things. So number 1, commission rate. So how much do you earn per sale? 5% might sound okay, but 30% reoccurring on a software product is far more powerful long term. Number 2, cookie length. So Amazon only gives you 24 hours. Others, like Notion, give you up to 90 days. Essentially what this means is, if someone clicks your link today and buys next month, you still get paid. And number 3, payout methods. So do they pay via PayPal, direct bank, or crypto? And is there a high payout threshold? Like, do you need to earn $100 or £100 first? Or is it a more low one like $10? For example, Amazon Associates is one of the easiest programs to join, but commissions are small. Meanwhile, software tools like Canva offer reoccurring commission. And that's where affiliate marketing becomes more like passive income. Step 4, apply and test. So once you've picked a few programs, apply to them. Don't get discouraged if some reject you at first. It happens. Start with beginner-friendly ones like Fiverr affiliates or Amazon. Build a track record, then apply for stricter ones like Shopify, for example. And when you're approved, add affiliate links in your content, whether that's your YouTube channel, blog posts, newsletters, or social media. Then track your clicks and your conversions, how many people are coming through to your affiliate links. And the truth is, some programs won't perform as well as you expect, and that's fine. Testing is how you figure out what works for your audience. Step 5, track and optimize. So the final step is just tracking everything. Create a simple sheet with columns for program name, niche, commission rate, cookie length, payout threshold, and your results. This way, you'll know exactly which programs to double down on and which ones just aren't worth the effort. Over time, you'll build a portfolio of affiliate programs that consistently make you money over the long term. And like I said, if you can't really be bothered to do all this research yourself, there is a full master list on my Patreon that lists the best affiliate programs with their commission rates, payouts, and other details. The link is in the description below. Which affiliate programs seem good to you? Have you tried any so far? If you have, let me know in the comments and how you got along with them. And if you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.